Hello, my name is Ma'am Ramos, and today we will be discussing about what is hospitality management. So let's dive in. Okay. So in order you to understand what is hospitality management, let me share to you, or let us find out what will be your future job if you're going to take this program. Okay. From the word management. So the root word of management is, yeah, that's correct. It's manage. All right. Manage. So your future job is to manage the hospitality industry. Again, what are you going to manage? Of course, based on the title, that is the hospitality industry. All right. This word manage, so the root word of management is manage. So this manage, or this word manage, if we're going to add letter R, that will become manager. So you will be a future manager. That's correct. So this is you. Does it looks like you? All right. So you have a necktie if you are a man. In the hospitality industry, in the hospitality institution, most of the students, they are wearing necktie if they are uh, men. For women, then they are wearing what is that? There is a vest and also a coat. Okay. So this is a manager. Now, what does the manager do? What will be your future job? Okay? So ano bang ginagawa ng isang manager? Can you see this picture? So in this picture, you can see a binocular. Okay? And this binocular, when you use the binocular, what does it do? It what? Okay? It oversee. It oversees what? What does it oversee? Okay? So number one, it oversees operation. So that's number one. Number two, services. The number three is customer experiences. So as a manager, you will be overseeing number one, operation, number two, services, and then number three, customer experiences. Okay? Did you understand? All right. Now, okay, lumagpas tayo. Let's say, for instance, in accommodation sector. So this is an example of accommodation sector. This is a hotel. Hotel is part of accommodation sector. Okay? So sabi natin, the manager oversees number one, the operation, number two, services, and then number three, customer experiences, right? Okay? So let us have an example for operation. Number one example of operation is front desk. So there is a front desk operations. Actually, there are a lot of operations inside the accommodation sector. So we have housekeeping operation, we have F&B operation, okay? And then we also have these front desk operations. So in front desk operation, what are the services that we offer to our customers? What are the services? Okay? So let's talk about the services. Number one is check in, check out. That's correct. So that is an example of services. In F&B, what services can we get, or what services can we offer? Then we can offer dining. Yeah, that's correct. Okay? So those are examples of services. So who receive these services? So doon na papasok yung ating customer experience. Okay? So remember, as a manager, you will be overseeing number one, the operation, number two, services, then number three is customer experiences. Okay? So I hope that clears. That is clear. So again, hospitality management is the practice of overseeing the operations, services, and customer experiences within the hospitality industry. So again, as what you have seen in the picture, this is a hotel. And hotel is part of, okay, part of what? What sector? All right, accommodation sector. Now let us dive in with the sectors, or the best question there is, what are the sectors are you going to oversee? So papasok na tayo dito sa uh, pwede nating pasukan. Okay? So saan tayo pwedeng pumasok? Which industry can we can we work? Where can we work? So that will be the question. So unang tanong natin kanina, ano ba yung magiging trabaho ng isang hospitality management graduate? So we have found out that you can be a manager. So as a manager, you oversee the operations, the services, and the customer experiences. Ngayon, hanapin naman natin, or alamin natin kung saan tayo pwedeng pumasok. So what are the sectors are you going to oversee? Number one is, that is very good, that is accommodation. The next one is, this is al fresco. Okay? Al fresco. You try to remember that word, al fresco. What is al fresco? Can you write down your answer in this video? Okay? Let us clear that out. So, this al fresco is what part of sector? What sector is this? What part of sector is this? So, this is F&B. So, number one is accommodation. Number two is food and beverage. Okay? I think I don't need to write it down, or maybe I'm just going to write it down. Food and beverage. Okay? Next one. What will be the next one? So accommodation, F&B. Next one is travel and, so merong eroplano dito. Merong traveler, there is a luggage. So we call that travel and tourism. Okay? Next one is, we have sulat ulit natin, accommodation. Accommodation. We have F and B. Then, how about this fourth one? Okay, so what do you call this business? This is a theme park. Okay, in Korea, they have this Everend. Then in Hong Kong, they have Disneyland. In the Philippines, we have EK or Enchanted Kingdom and also Star City. So we call this theme park. So theme park is part of entertainment sector. Okay? We also call this recreation and leisure. Recreation and leisure. That is letter I. All right? What's next? So next one is we have chug chug chug. Okay? We call this transportation. All right? For instance, um example ng transportation business is airlines or train buses. Okay? Parte din ng transportation is logistics. When we say logistics, example niyan is yung mga delivery companies na ginagamit nyo for your Shopee. Okay? Shopee, right? So those are transportation. Another one, then the last one we have, okay, as a part of our human as a human being, we always wanted to celebrate. So, what sector is this? This is what we call meetings and events. Okay? So these are the sectors of hospitality industry. Let us clear that out. Again, what are the sectors in hospitality industry? So we have accommodation. Sorry, this is double M. Accommodation, food and bev, travel and tourism, entertainment, transportation, and then meetings and events. Okay? So thanks for watching. That's all for today. See you again next time. Bye bye.